welcome to Creative Moments by G. I'm Georgia and so happy to be with you today. Guess what time it is? It's Paper Pumpkin time! October 2021 Paper Pumpkin. And do we have some great alternative cards to share with you? So let's head down to the crafting table and let's get started. Here is the stamp set, and now you can tell we have really used this stamp set. You get some beautiful evergreen trees, you get a little bit of snowflakes going on right there, and you get some fantastic sentiments. So here is our first alternative. This has to be my favorite. Look at this. We use the crimper as a background. We cut the card apart and actually used our blends to color it green, and it just makes it pop. So pretty. This is a top fold card. We added the evergreens right here, added a little bit of that black glitter paper and stamped it, and we used our gray cardstock. This is just beautiful, and like I said, this is my favorite of all the cards that we made. Now, another one that we made is we used a landscape card, and we simply went through our dies and found a cute little border to add. And once again, we colored our trees using our blends, added a little red ribbon right there, and look at this. We added a black and white checked ribbon at the top. We embossed this with silver and just really create such a festive holiday card. On the inside, we went ahead and embossed our evergreen trees and used their stamp. We created a book binding card and we used their Noel. Now look what we did to the Noel. We went ahead and we used our blends and we colored that to match the trees. Oh, this one turned out so pretty. And when you open it up, you have that pop out card insert. Once again, we used the little snowflakes that they gave us and we embossed them in silver. We will post the cards that have videos that we have made previously so that you'll be able to see exactly how to make these cards. And this is one of the cards that we absolutely have a video on. Now, another card that we want to share is a buckle card. Look at this. We used some beautiful DSP, put some gold behind it. We added the evergreens right here on the buckle part. And then you just open it up and there you have some more evergreens, the beautiful stamp. And on the back, we went ahead and added just a base card so that you could write your message. Now look at this card. Isn't this doesn't it give you a woodsy feeling? So pretty. We cut this off the envelope and just added it right to the front. We also, you can't see it, but we embossed this mat right here just to give it that added depth. We used their sentiment, and you open it up. We created our very own background for this mat, and there we have the evergreens right there. We also used a cute little stamp from another set to give us some ground underneath the evergreens. This one came out so pretty and could very easily be a masculine card to share for the holidays. Now look at this one. We added our black and white checked ribbon with a little red ribbon just to give it that pop. We colored our trees again using our blends, and this is just a fold-up card. Peaceful Christmas Wishes. Very easy. We absolutely have a video on how to do this card. Next, we're going to move into our framed card, and I don't know if you can see that, but we have these actually raised up. We have a video on how to do this one. We used our evergreens again, and we used the check paper that came with the stamp set. Open it up, just stamped our evergreens across the bottom, and just created this very easy but raised framed card with dimensionals. Next, oh my goodness, doesn't this give you an old-fashioned flair? We just love this set, this die set, and we'll list that below. But this top part right here is raised on some dimensionals. We stamped it, added some rhinestones, and then we just used part of the green checked and put our evergreens right there. Next, we decided just to do kind of a split card. We used some DSP. We dry embossed this. We stamped our evergreens on an oval, added some rhinestones, and on the inside double matted it and added some more evergreens. And finally, we decided to do a flip card. Now, you can absolutely do this yourself. You can also buy dies from other companies that allows you to do this. We actually did it ourselves. We simply cut this mat out, laid down a mask, and just used our cutter to go ahead and go around the circle exactly where we needed it to create this flip card. But so cute. We added our little evergreens here, from our home to yours. Well, what do you think about those alternatives? We hope that it gives you some inspiration to open up that paper pumpkin box and get busy. We hope you take just a moment, and if you got some inspiration, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Well, listen, go out, be kind to yourself and others, be creative in your crafting, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.